Hey you guys, it's your girl Adine from Painted Pretty LV. Make sure you follow the page. So today we got a box from Maniology. I'm so excited. You know, I love me some Maniology. Also, if you're interested in getting some stamping plates, head over to maniology.com and type in Adine10 at checkout so you can get some money off because, you know, we love to save some coins. So anyways, let's go ahead and open her up. Once again, shout out to Maniology. Thank you so much for sending these products over. So let's go ahead. I love their packaging, super cute. So BOGO, 50% off single polishes with code BOGO50 at checkout. So make sure you scan this if you want 50% off some polishes. All right, so the first thing I got was this stamping plate, and this is like a marble stamping plate. This is Maniology's 464. Okay, so satisfying getting a new plate. Let's go ahead and remove her. Oh yes. All right, so as you can tell, this is like a marble effect. Hopefully you can see. It's super pretty. I love this, especially these right here. This is like water. It kind of looks like soapy water. That's what it kind of reminds me, like soapy water. You know when you put soap or you're in a bubble bath and it gets all swirly and stuff? That's what it reminds me. And I love these. They're super long for really long nails, so I really like that. So that's the first plate that we got. And then this one should be their carrot patch kit. So perfect for spring. I think this is their spring and St. Patrick's Day collection. So look how cute this bag is, you guys. Like, this is so cute. I love it. So I got that. All right, so this crystal clear stamper. Get another stamper. I love it. You can never have enough stampers. Never have enough stampers. So this is their crystal clear stamper set. Spring. I think this is their spring edition. Or it is their spring edition. I can never open up boxes the right way. Oh, this is so cute. Stop it right now. Look how, let me move these out the way. Look how cute. I love it. Look how cute. It's like ladybugs and like hearts and stuff. That is so cute. I love that. Look how stinking cute the stamper is, you guys. Look. It's so pretty. So we got that. And then here's the actual stamper. This is so pretty. Maniology, stop it right now. Like, I love it. It's so pretty. Ooh, this is perfect to stamp down. So yeah, got a little scraper set. Let's do some more stamping plates. All right, so this is their St. Patrick's Day stamping plate, and this is M455. But yeah, these are so cute. We got some little clover leaves, some rainbows. That's the second plate. The third plate, this is their spring collection. This is so cute. Didn't send me an extra plate. Maybe, maybe not. No, I think flowers on it. Little carrots. And birds. And then the next one. This one is 465. Got little carrots and your some bunnyful, happy Easter, little eggs down here. All right, you guys. So those are the 4 new plates that we got from Maniology. Make sure you use Adine10 to get some money off. And then the last thing we got from Maniology, it is a lacquer set. This is Sun Shower. So let's go ahead and open this up. We got 3 colors here. Oh, yes. These are perfect, you guys, for spring. Look at these colors. They're so pretty. Pretty color. We have this pink one. It is called Rosebud. Very fitting. This one's called Rosebud. And it is a pink. Yeah, no, I love me some pink. I'm a pink girl. So yeah, that's that. The next one, it is called Marigold. This one's like this one's cool. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a muted peachy color maybe, but it's really pretty. Like, it's such a pretty color. And then this one is called Bluebell. It's like a lavender color, purplish color, super pretty as well. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Really pretty. There you guys. Marigold, Bluebell, and Rosebud. Super pretty. Really pretty colors. All right, you guys. So this is everything that we got from Maniology. Make sure you check them out. I will link everything down below. And make sure you use Adine 10 to get 10% off on your products. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Stay tuned because very soon, okay, probably the next couple of videos, I will be using these products to do St. Patrick's Day nails as well as spring nails and some other cool stuff, okay? And I have another package coming from them that I bought with my own money. I spent about $85. So yeah, that video is coming as soon as it comes in. So yeah, you guys, let me know which plate you're interested to see me do designs with, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.